To women on TikTok think they've found love. But what they don't know is that to manipulative men chose them on purpose and they're losing themselves, slowly, right in front of us. There were two women, living two different lives, but walking into the same trap. One was a beautiful 40-something, shaped good, glowing, always getting compliments. People said she looked better than women 10 years younger. The other was a troubled, overweight woman, bullied all her life. Angry, jealous, loud, but deep down, she only wanted to be loved even once. Then one day, two men appeared on TikTok. They called themselves brothers, but people whispered other things. Things about their past, their secrets, their lifestyle, and the way they made money before they came online. The two women didn't know all of that. All they saw was attention. All they felt was hope. The brothers started messaging them, smiling at them, going live with them, telling them sweet little things, nothing too deep, nothing too real, just enough to keep them hooked. And the women fell hard. But here's the twist. The men avoided intimacy with both of them. They never tried to get close to the better-looking one. And they never committed to the hurting one. Instead, they kept them both exactly where they wanted them. The beautiful woman became their image. She made them look straight. She made them look desirable. She made people stop questioning them. The overweight woman became their chaos. Her jealousy, her tantrums, her breakdowns on live, all of it brought views, drama, money. And the men, they sat back, smiling, counting gifts, acting innocent. While two women fell apart in two different ways. One started losing weight, emotionally starving for a man who never wanted her.
Now, well, I'm big and blood clot fat. When big and fat, me always weigh 125 blood clot pound. I lost 25 Ghana fight. Only pound I'm a mark. Me fat. Una well, I'm blood clot fat. More of it just have a little more hip. Una well, I'm blood clot flat. Everyone me get mad over this blood clot. Don't let me go, man.
The others started lashing out, fighting everyone, even her own family, just to keep a man who only wanted content.
Clad, come here, come hold no argument. Me not hold no argument, me not deny no. When girl run with statements here, make girl run with statements here. Move your blood, hey woman, move. Move your blood, clap, move. John!
People said it was Obia. People said it was spirit ties. People said it was witchcraft. But the truth was darker and simpler. They were being emotionally manipulated, used, played, turned into characters, in a show they never agreed to be in. And the worst part? Both women believed they were loved, not knowing they were only being used. This is the story of how the broken souls were chosen. Not for love, but for profit. And until they see the truth, the men will keep smiling, and the women will keep falling.